What's up, y'all? It's Mo, and today's video is going to be a plan with me featuring this beautiful like neutral set that I have over on the Sticker Club on Patreon. I love neutrals right now. I'm also going to be using some of these foiled like various boxes that I have in the shop and gold foiled moon long vertical overlays. I am planning in my new happy planner I set up for July. I'm pretty sure there's a video on like me moving in and setting up my new planners. And it's because I realized that I really love doing the long vertical layout and I don't really like drawing my layouts every week. So I decided to go ahead and pick up a planner and just, I don't know, make it easier for myself. So I love this this like layout, the way that I create this sticker kit that is mostly what's offered on the Printable of the Month Club. It's just all the stickers are so perfect for me. Honestly, I'm making them for myself, guys, because they are just so perfect for me. So I am bringing in some gold washi tape as well. I realize now that I don't draw my layouts, that the bottom part where I normally put washi, like at the bottom, is kind of too small in the regular Happy Planner layout. So I haven't really been using too much washi down there. Sometimes it won't fit, sometimes it's not the right size, etc. So I have been bringing in some washi that is in the sidebar and on the top of the different daily boxes or whatnot. And I'm just building out my sidebar the way I normally do when I have this type of sticker kit. I put the long sticker, the long like list sticker on the sidebar, and then I put some washi tape. I'm using a foiled, like a matte foiled sticker, box sticker, and then the bigger box. How many times can I say box? I don't know. Then I'm going to place down my full boxes. And again, I think I say this in every video. This is kind of the routine that I go through. I do my sidebar and then I lay down the full boxes and then I'll go lay down my overlays and then I will go lay down the long checklist, etc. And it's just to make sure that I get a nice layout on the page the way that I like it, if that makes sense. So laying down my full boxes, I think that there's a nice balance with using just 4 boxes in the long vertical spread. If I have more boxes in a what is that, like in a sticker kit, I feel like I don't know what I'm talking about today. If I have more boxes, more full boxes in a sticker kit, kind of like the deluxe kits that I have in the shop now, then I will use about 4 or 5 in the spread. And then I'll use the long fashion box in the sidebar. And then if I have room or I need to, another full box, etc. I've really been liking, there is in the shop now a Canva sticker template kit, I guess, for you guys to create your own stickers. And it is a quote unquote mini kit, I guess, for the Happy Planner size, a long vertical size. And there are 5, I'm trying to visualize it in my head. There are 5 full boxes and then 1 long box that you can use as like a fashion box if you want. And then it has all these other sets in it, stickers and boxes and icons and stuff, areas for that. I really do love that kit. I love that setup, and I have a video that I filmed where I kind of do a design with me, where I just fill in that spread, that like sticker template, and show you how you can use different elements in Canva and whatnot. And so keep a lookout for that if you are trying to easily design your own stickers to cut with your Cricut Explorer, Cricut Maker, any Cricut machine that has Cricut Design Space that supports the print and cut feature, you can use my sticker templates for. And I'm so excited to have added Canva sticker templates into my shop. Like, you guys have asked for it and I'm like, I don't think you can do it, I don't think it'll happen, and here I am, it's happened. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to share with you all. It's been super fun to create new templates, and most of the templates that are just the transparent templates that I've been offering are also in the shop as Canva templates. I wouldn't say most, but a lot of the most important ones that I think are. And I am trying to work on creating some Photoshop templates for you guys. If that's something that you are interested in, it's just taken me quite a while to do that. But I'm still thinking about it. I'm still working on it. I just need some time. But so I laid down my full boxes. I laid down the overlays, and I'm using, like I said, like a moon type of lunar overlay on the full boxes, and the like foiled boxes that I'm using are a lunar inspired thing as well. So I did that. Then I laid down my checklist, then I lay down some headers. Now I'm laying down some washi tape to make sure that I have the space that I want to have to include that washi tape at the top of it. Kind of acts like a header, if you will, at the top of the I guess daily boxes. I don't know what those are called. I mean, I'm trying to think back to when we were first sticker planning and what we called all these things. I think they were called like daily boxes. I don't know. The boxes in the columns, I'm using them as like headers, if that's what you want to say. So then I will go in and lay down these gridded boxes that I really, really do like. I think it, I don't know, adds more space in the spread to write. They're one of my favorite boxes to add. And then I will make sure that I'm just creating a balanced layout. That's all I'm really doing. And why that's kind of why I lay out one element at a time. When I am using this type of kit, I kind of do that. I lay out one element at a time. When I'm using a more standard vertical, quote unquote, traditional kit, I will do it column by column, I think. So like when I'm doing standard vertical, I'll lay out my full boxes and my headers and whatnot. And then I will do column by column for the most part. But now that I'm thinking about it, I feel like I kind of do it this way too, where I kind of lay down some elements. I don't know. When I use a standard vertical kit, I'll leave a link to some Plan With Me is where I've used a standard vertical in a long vertical or happy planner layout. And I use standard kits the same way I do long vertical kits. I kind of do a little spreading out, a little, I don't know, kind of like I don't want to say haphazard, but kind of like this where things are overlapping and it's just like a decorative, if you will, spread. Even though this is totally functional for me, this is like halfway memory keeping and halfway being functional. You can see I can't decide where I want to put this little lunar box there. But I do love this. I love the long vertical layout. I think it is a perfect layout for me. I can combine like character stickers, but then I can also be functional and I can do some memory planning and whatnot in here. And I also added into my lineup a journal that is using the teacher planner layout. So if that's something that you want to see, like if you want to see how and I think it's kind of easier to use this as a journal, use the teacher planner layout as a journal. So if you want to see how I have that laid out, then let me know. Give this video a like if you'd like to see that. I did also post on the community tab kind of a peek into how I have that set up. So let me know if you want to see that. I think even if nobody says anything, I'm going to do it anyway because I think it's a good way to break up journaling if you don't really know what to journal about. I think you can kind of assign the sections different things, and then we have different prompts and whatnot, and you don't feel, I don't know, overwhelmed when it comes to what am I actually supposed to be journaling about. So lay down my bullet points. I think I go in here now and use the smaller washi tape as a part of the long vertical overlays that I have in the shop. And this is just, again, a bunch of moons. And then I think it's like 10 millimeter that I have made this little washi tape overlay that I'm setting down now. And so that fits perfectly in that section. 15 millimeter will fit there, but it kind of looks too full, I think. So then I'm just going in and adding some of the bows from the foiled sheet and making that look kind of cute. That's not something I do all the time, but since they're there, I'm going to use it. And yeah, then I'm like, do I need to use anything else? I don't think so. And I think this just about wraps up this spread. I love this neutral spread. If you are looking to get photo kits, I'm going to go ahead and say it, high quality photo kits for long vertical or for your happy planner, please go check out the Sticker Club on Patreon. It is $3 a month and you get access to an ever-growing library of planner printables, mostly designed for the classic happy planner or long vertical planner. So I hope that you go over there and check that out. You can also find the podcast printables over there. I have a new podcast. It's the 516 podcast, and I'd love for you to check it out. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate your support, and I will talk to you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.